Hello everyone, welcome back to the fourth Express tutorial series. In today's episode, we'll demonstrate how to target your specific areas of drugs and create custom clusters using tags. Under the search window, you can see a few predefined tags that we have created for your fast searching. By one click, you can search for advanced therapy medicinal products, biologics, gene therapy, orphans, or for drugs with price published for marketing authorization holders or for parallel importers. You can also very easily search for drugs that are currently not available due to their shortage. However, you can create your own tags, for example, tags for drugs in your portfolio or for specific drugs intended for a particular diagnosis, or perhaps for niche drugs you are interested in. Let's create a cluster for frequently unavailable drugs from the group of antihemophilic factor 8. First, we have to create new tag. Go to the tag subpage, click on this blue button Create New Tag, give it a name, choose your color, and save your setting. If you go to the home page, you should already see your newly created tag under these system tags. Now let's search for the drugs of our interest. For example, I will use Faba. By clicking on this tag icon, you will simply choose your tag and click on this Save Settings button. You can also very easily choose multiple packages. So just click on those packages and now click on this green button, Assign Tags. Choose your tag and click on this blue button, Add New Tag. Now, if you scroll to the right, you should already see your tag being assigned. If you go to the home page and you will click on this tag factor 8, click on this blue button Search, you should already see your packages and drugs that you have assigned your new tag to. This way, you can group whichever drugs you want to search for with just one click. You can always edit or delete the tags. I hope it helps you navigate through the application. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next Express tutorial. Goodbye!